Human activities can be divided into two broad categories, namely economic and non-economic activities. Economic activities can further be divided into business, profession, employment. We have already covered the origin of word business, meaning, features of business, main and multiple objectives of business, risk and its causes. Business activities can be further classified into industry and commerce. Let us deal with the industry portion first. Industry. Industry refers to conversion of resources into useful goods. It involves transformation or production or processing of goods. It also involves breeding and raising of plants and animals and their reproduction and development. Industry can be classified into three categories, namely primary, secondary, tertiary. It simply means first, second, and third. Let us deal with primary industry. Primary industries are involved in extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants and animals. It basically deals with the natural resources, plants and animals. As the meaning suggests, there are two parts to it. First, extraction and production of natural resources. And second portion, reproduction and development of plants and animals. And therefore, we have got two types of primary industries. So under primary industries, there are two types, namely extractive industries and genetic industries. Extractive industries, as the name suggests, these industries extract or draw basic raw materials from geographical or natural environment. The examples of extractive industries are farming, mining, lumbering, hunting, and fishing operations. Please keep in mind fishing. Second type of primary industries are genetic industries. Genetic industries are involved in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction. For example, cattle breeding farms, poultry farms, fish hatchery. Please keep in mind fish hatchery. So what is the basic difference between extractive and genetic? एक ही एग्जाम्पल दोनों के बीच में बिल्कुल क्लियर कर देगा. एक्सट्रैक्टिव केवल एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है, निकालता है. जेनेटिक रिप्रोड्यूस करता है, डेवलप करता है. एग्जाम्पल, ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिशिंग एंड फिश हैचरी. फिशिंग में क्या होता है? केवल सी में जाने का, फिश पकड़ के लेके आने का. उससे फिश डेवलप नहीं हो रही हैं, बढ़ नहीं रही हैं, रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं हो रहा है. सो फिशिंग कम्स अंडर एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज. व्हाट अबाउट जेनेटिक? फिश हैचरी, जिसमें फिश पॉन्ड्स में फिश का रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, वो बढ़ती हैं, ओवरऑल रिप्रोडक्शन करवाया जाता है. इट कम्स अंडर जेनेटिक. सो फिशिंग विल कम अंडर एक्सट्रैक्टिव and fish hatchery will come under genetic. So we have covered the primary industries, and under the primary industry there are two types, extractive and genetic. Now we move forward to secondary industries. Secondary industries use raw materials which have already been extracted by the primary industries. Therefore they are known as secondary. Second hand भी ऐसा भी फील कर सकते हो. Secondary industries, as the name suggests, secondary industries use raw materials which have been already extracted at the primary state by the primary industries. And secondary industries use those raw materials for further processing and transformation, for final consumption or for further processing. Let us take an example. Mining of iron ores from land will be covered under the primary industry, that is extractive one. And manufacturing steel from that ores, iron ores, will come under secondary. तो हमने आयरन ओर्स निकाले जमीन से, एक्सट्रैक्ट किए, प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री में आएगा. फिर उनका फर्दर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया इनटू स्टील, वो आ जाएगा सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्रीज में. Second example can be oil and gas. हमने जमीन से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया, विल कवर अंडर प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री, और फिर उस क्रूड ऑयल को हमने रिफाइनरी में भेज दिया, उसमें से पेट्रोल, डीजल, एलपीजी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, वो हो जाएगा सेकेंडरी, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो एक्सट्रैक्ट हो चुके थे, देयरफॉर उसका नाम पड़ा सेकेंडरी. Secondary industries can further be classified into manufacturing industries and construction industries. Manufacturing industries are involved in processing of those raw materials that have already been extracted by the primary industries and transforming it into other goods. Manufacturing industries basically creates form utilities. That is, by changing the form, they create utilities. There are 4 types of manufacturing industries: analytical, synthetical, processing, and assembling. First, analytical industries. Analytical industries, as the name suggests, it analyzes and separates different elements from the same material. I repeat, it separates different elements from the same material. For example, oil refinery. क्रूड ऑयल को रिफाइन करके उसमें से बनाए जाते हैं कई सारे प्रोडक्ट. एक ही क्रूड ऑयल होता है, उसका प्रोसेसिंग करके उसमें से कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं, पेट्रोल, डीजल, एटीएफ, एलपीजी. तो कैसे याद करेंगे? एक से अनेक, एक इनपुट से, एक कॉमन इनपुट से कई सारे अनेक प्रोडक्ट इज एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. एग्जाम्पल, ऑयल रिफाइनरी. Second, synthetical industries. Synthetic industries basically combines various ingredients into one. For example, cement industries. I repeat, it combines various ingredients into one. This is just reverse of analytical. Analytical में क्या था? एक इनपुट से अनेक प्रोडक्ट. यहाँ पे अनेक इनपुट को कंबाइन करके एक. तो एनालिटिकल एक से अनेक, सिंथेटिकल अनेक से एक. थर्ड, प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री. प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज इन्वॉल्व प्रोडक्शन और प्रोसेसिंग और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन सक्सेसिव स्टेजेस. अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट कई सारे अलग अलग वैरायटी ऑफ स्टेजेस से होके गुजरता है तो वी से आवर इंडस्ट्री इज प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शुगर इंडस्ट्री, पेपर इंडस्ट्री. Assembling industries. Assembling industry basically assembles different components into one. For example, television industry, car industry, computer industry. यहाँ पे मेन काम है अलग अलग पार्ट्स को इकट्ठा करके बस उसको असेंबल करना. मेन कोई प्रोसेसिंग नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल्स आर टेलीविजन, कार, कंप्यूटर. Now we move to the second type of secondary industries, construction industries. Construction industries basically deals with construction of buildings, dams, bridges, roads, tunnels. It is basically concerned with engineering and architectural skills. Having covered the primary and secondary industries, now we move forward to the third type of industry, tertiary industries. In fact, tertiary means third. Tertiary industries basically provides the support services to primary and secondary industries. मजाक में बोलें तो ये दोनों हो जाएंगे मुन्ना भाई और tertiary हो जाएगा सर्किट. That means tertiary industries basically deals with service facilities for primary and secondary industries. Examples of tertiary industries are transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, communication, packaging, and advertising services. And because they are helping primary and secondary industries, they will be classified under industries. Please keep in mind, I can give numerous examples of different industries, but I haven't taken any risk and quoted only those examples which have been given in CBSE and NCERT. And also, please keep in mind, some examples can be overlapping, but you need to stick with them. Farmer, PepsiCo कंपनी वाला एग्जाम्पल याद है? फार्मर ने आलू उगाए, वो प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री. आलू दे दिए पेप्सिको कंपनी को, उन्होंने बनाया उसमें से वेफर्स, वो हो जाएगा सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री। और वेफर को फिर होलसेलर तक किसने पहुंचाया था? ट्रांसपोर्ट ने, वो हो जाएगा टर्शरी इंडस्ट्री।